Bonjour à tous les amis de Trois-Biennes. Nous avons récemment comme invité le Dr Nedley et nous avons maintenant le plaisir de compter parmi nous son épouse et collaboratrice Erica Nedley. Bienvenue.
Thank you.
J'aimerais aussi vous demander de présenter un livre que vous avez récemment écrit. Can I ask you please to tell us about this book that you published recently?
This has been one of the most exciting projects that I've been involved in. And I've been working with Dr. Nedley, helping him to put a lot of books together for years. About 4 years ago, the public schools of Guam asked us to come up and put together a curriculum for public schools that would help children to control their emotion, therefore decrease violence, increase relationship and class behavior. And they actually had us there, presented, they piloted the program, and it was absolutely amazing to hear teachers and students share their experiences on this journey applying the principles taught. So as a result, we thought, okay, this was for public school. What about doing something for Christian audience, and particularly that it is such a comprehensive approach to children's emotional health that could be applied in schools, vacation Bible schools, homeschooling programs, and whatever. So this was revolutionary, if you want to call it. It taught us that children need this information at the kindergarten level, and if we can manage the classroom early on, they are so much better later on in their success motivation, because this is what emotional intelligence is: knowing your emotions, managing your emotions, knowing the emotions of others, managing your social relationship. If you have the proper balance of all of this, you can motivate yourself to achieve whatever. So the curriculum, it's divided in 4 units. You start with how the brain functions. You understand the principles. Then you're moving on to unit 2, which has to do with brain health, or anything that can increase your mental performance. So if you want to call it, it's like a new start for the brain. Unit 3, you go into recognizing what emotional intelligence is, even the little ones, to realize that they don't have to be afraid to be sad, that they don't always have to act like everything is normal, but managing their feelings. And then unit 4, we brought up cognitive distortions. Now that would be a big name for little children, so we called it tangled thoughts. So how do you help the children to recognize, to catch those thoughts and be able to say, hey, I can think differently. And if you realize that your mind, it has so much neuroplasticity and the brain can change, it's amazing what the children can start acting and behaving, because they think otherwise about themselves, about their classmates, or about parents, or relationship, social relationship in general. So this we have it at 4 levels. This curriculum, you got the lower elementary, and it has it's a turnkey program. It's a social learning program, and it covers all the standards of the church and of California standard. And then the teacher that has the manual, then the students have a little worksheet that they cut and paste and put it in a little journal. And they get a lot of hands-on. They get really excited about this curriculum.
Wow, it's very interesting. But we'd like to know how the people can get these books.
Check goeq.com.
Okay, so thank you so much, and may God bless you and all the work that you are doing for the people.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.